Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish.
Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Sorkar Jela talabu thong ban Pynkynriah lut ya baro arspangot tam ki Nongdie Madan ki baju syong di jing di harut Surok ka Nongba Shillong house nam arjar arpsan. Haba pentip ya kani ha ka singi baar ka arpkondai trik urisau arjar arpsau u menteri ketenat jengok kai perthai u ba polling do ulong ba ya kani ka jing temu la pen iru lingba ka PowerPoint ha ka jelang ka bala penya do sembut menteri rangba ke Jela uba kimi ya ketenat penroisor uba sengau balang dahar. Katkum ka jiathu jong uba pol ki jaka ki ban Pynkynriah ki Nongdie Madan kin long nakathan kendailat bat ongru bagi application bala bishar katkum ki kendon bala bu da ka town vending committee ringkat bat ke Shillong municipal board on sawat jaka ban Pynkynriah ki Nongdie Madan.
The latest was that we had a meeting chaired by Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs, where the plan of action of the department was shown to us through a PowerPoint presentation. It includes details of all applicants because our first zone, first area of concentration is the Kendailat stretch. So as I indicated the other day, there are about 200 plus applicants, and now steps are on to rehabilitate them, and some of the spaces available with the department have already been indicated and earmarked. So we should be in a position to complete the entire exercise within the month of November this year. It's going to be the first move in that direction, but a positive move, because as you can see, these vendors, now government already has a policy of rehabilitating them and giving them proper space with water facilities and other amenities. So the problem that the city is faced with, and which the Department of Urban Affairs is trying to address, is that there should be equal respect for the rights of all users of public space. And users of public space include transporters, drivers, pedestrians, and these vendors therefore should not in any way impinge upon the rights of motorists and pedestrians, which is what is happening right now. Give us time till end of November, where we will be able to rehabilitate, and once that is done, the area will be declared as a pedestrian zone with no facilities and space for hawking. Just a few days before the end of October, and I assure you that within November 24, these people, the vendors, will be those who qualify and have been identified for the spaces that I mentioned. They will be relocated, and the rest will simply not be allowed to carry on their trade in that
But
zone.
in the name of like,
See, whether we do it or we don't do it, people are always critical of the government. So we do not, that really doesn't matter. What matters most is that we would first try to address the concern of the vast majority of people. First, starting with Kendailat. In the other areas like Mkra, now a new market complex is being inaugurated shortly. So we will go in that manner, but the first priority is the heart of the city, which is Kendailat. Increasing the number of areas for trading, where these hawkers can also be accommodated. So there is a plan that has been worked out by the Urban Affairs Department for the past 1 year, and this will fructify once we start with the most important center, which is the epicenter of the state of Meghalaya, which is Kandaila. It will be, I think, 3 spaces, including buildings of the MTC and the Muda. All of those who have whose applications have been duly scrutinized and who qualify all the parameters set by the town vending committee in collaboration with the SMB will find space in the designated areas. And have sought information at that meeting is that 200 plus will find space in the designated hawking zone.